Hi everyone. Today we are going to start with a new topic, that is how to write off discount on issue of debentures. In the last class we have discussed about journal entries related to interest on debentures. What are the journal entries? How the interest on debentures can be accounted for? All the things we have discussed in the last class. This is a continuation to that chapter of issue of debentures. Here in this topic today we are discussing about writing of discount on issue of debentures. Writing of discount on issue of debentures. How to write off the discount on issue of debentures. We have studied about issue of debentures at a discount. So that discount is a loss to us. And there we have studied that this discount will be adjusted as a loss, and when we issue the debentures, this loss will be shown as an account to be debited. That means when we issue the discount, we write the entry as discount on issue of debentures debtor, discount on issue of debentures, or loss on issue of debentures. Both are same. Discount is a loss on issue of debentures. So I can write either discount on issue of debentures or loss on issue of debentures. We used to debit that in the journal entry, isn't it? So first, when we issue the debenture, we write the journal entry as bank account debtor to debenture application and allotment on receipt of money. Second, on transfer of that money to the debenture capital, we have written debenture application and allotment debtor, discount on issue of debentures. If the debentures are issued at a discount, we used to write debenture application and allotment account debtor, discount on issue of debentures account debtor to debenture capital, because that was a loss, so it was debited there. So this loss is to be written off from the profit and loss account, and we have two options. One, we can write off from the securities premium account. If we have already a securities premium account balance, securities premium reserve, if it is there, we have to write first that from the securities premium reserve, and afterwards if something is left, that should be written off from the profit. So while writing off the discount on issue of debentures, first we have to write the discount from securities premium reserve, and after that if something is left, that should be written off from profit. That is the situation. Priority should be given to securities premium reserve. From that only discount should be written off first. Okay, it's clear? Then let us see what is related to discount on issue of debentures. So discount on issue of debentures may be written off by the company through any of the following two ways. There are two ways of issuing or writing of discount on issue of debentures. That is, writing off in the first year itself from securities premium reserve or from statement of profit and loss. Company has two options. Either it can be written off in the first year itself. That means when the debenture is issued, that year itself it can be written off from securities premium reserve or from statement of profit and loss. The statement of profit and loss is the profit and loss account prepared by the company. So in that case, what will be the journal entry? What will be the journal entry in that case? So it will be written off from the securities premium reserve. So the journal entry can be written like this: securities premium reserve account debtor. First it should be written off from the securities premium reserve. So statement premium reserve account debtor and or statement of profit and loss account debtor. Okay, that means first it will be written off from the securities premium reserve. Then if it is something is left, remaining should be written off from the profit and loss account. For example, our loss on issue of debenture, That means the discount to be written off is 50,000. 50,000 is there. And if the securities premium reserve is only 30,000, so how much can be written off from the securities premium reserve? 30,000 will be written off. Remaining 20,000 can be written off from the statement of profit and loss. Okay, that is why it is written securities premium reserve account debtor and or profit and or statement of profit and loss. Okay, to discount on issue of debentures or loss on issue of debentures. We can write either discount on issue of debentures or loss on issue of debentures account. Okay, this is the journal entry. Every time we have to follow this same journal entry. Either it will be written off from securities premium or will be written off from statement of profit and loss. Then second method. First it will be written off from the initial year itself from the profit or securities premium reserve. Then what will be done according to the second method? According to the second method, it says that discount on issue of debentures may be written off over the life of the debentures. It should be written off, it can be written off over the life of the debentures. What is over the life of the debentures? Suppose the debenture is issued for 5 years. So in that 5 years, it can be written off in installment. So in 5 years installment, it can be written off in 5 years installment. If the debenture has a lifetime of 10 years, the maturity period of the debenture is for 10 years. So it can be written off during these 10 years in installment. So that also there are two options. The first one is writing of the discount in equal installments. Writing of the installment in equal installments. This discount can be written off in equal installment. Another one method is there. It will be written off proportionately. That we will study later. Before that, let us discuss this point in detail. That means writing of the discount in equal installment. Every year as equal installment of what interest will be, discount will be written off. Then what will be the calculation for that? Discount to be written off annually every year. How can it be calculated? What is the total discount? What is the total discount divided by total life of the debentures? That means the maturity period of debentures. So here is an example. A limited company issued 2 lakh debentures, rupees 2 lakh debentures at a discount of 5%. Rupees 2 lakh debentures at a discount of 5% means 10,000 is the discount. 2 lakh into 5%, 10,000 is the discount. And it will be redeemable at the end of 5 years. So life of the debenture is 5 years. So in that case, how it will be, how each year's discount will be written off. That we are going to show the discount on issue of debentures account. In the books of the company, we are going to prepare the discount on issue of debentures account. Okay, that means here 2 lakh into 5%, 10,000 is the discount that we will write off equally in 5 installments. That means 10,000 into 1 by 5 every year will be written off. 10,000 into 1 by 5 means 2,000 every year. So let us see the solution for that. Here every year how much will be written off? Amount of discount written off yearly is equal to total discount divided by number of life of the debentures, number of years life of the debentures. That means total discount is 10,000 divided by 5. So 2,000 every year will be written off. Now let us see the discount on issue of debentures account. discount on issue of debentures account. Let us give the heading. Okay, so in debentures account, when we prepare, what is the journal entry for debenture discount? We have told that discount on issue of debentures account debtor to debentures. So discount on issue of debentures account is there with us to debentures. You will write to debentures. So date is not mentioned, so we will write it is first year. This one is for first year. First year, the total discount on the at the time of issue itself we have transferred 10,000. Okay, and in the same year, what we have to do? We have to write off how much rupees? 2,000 rupees. From where we have to write off? Do we have securities premium reserve? No, it is not given in the question. So we have to write off from the statement of profit and loss. So we can write by statement of profit and loss how much? 2,000 rupees. Okay. So 2,000 rupees written off. Then what is the balance? We can just close that. 10,000 taken to the credit side and balance is 8,000 with us. What can be written here? It is balance carried down. It is balance carried down and it is brought down to the second year. So to the second year, to balance brought down. How much? 8,000 rupees. So again in the second year we have to write off same amount because equal installment. Same amount we have to write from profit and loss. So by statement of profit and loss, how much rupees? 2,000 rupees. Balance 6,000. How we have got 6,000? 8,000 we have to close here and should be transferred to the credit side. So 8,000 minus 2,000, 6,000. That is the closing balance. This closing balance will be written as balance carried down and can be transferred to the debit side to the next year. That is third year. Third year balance brought down came here as 6,000 rupees. So thing is same for the third year also. Third year same amount should be written off, that is 2,000 should be written off from statement of profit and loss. So to statement of profit and loss 2,000 written off and the balance we have to find out. For that 6,000 taken to the credit side, balance 6,000 minus 2,000, 4,000. That can be written as by balance carry down and is transferred to the debit side to balance brought down, amount returned 4,000. Okay. That 4,000 on the fourth year. Now fourth year again we have to write off discount. Discount fourth year will be written off from statement of profit and loss. How much? 2,000 again. Okay, in the same order we will balance it, right? Balance taken to the credit side. 2,000 is left as closing balance for fourth year. Okay. Now this is very simple. I think you can understand without much difficulties. Fifth year closing balance, opening balance came 2,000. So fifth year the last installment of 2,000 is to be written off from the statement of profit and loss. So by statement of profit and loss 2,000 again. So total 2,000 and that 2,000 completely used. Now nothing is left. Okay, so this is regarding the writing off of discount on issue of debentures when it is written off in equal installments. Okay, I think all of you understood it because it is very easy. Okay, same amount will be written off. What you have to do, you have to find out what is the total discount and can be divided with the life of the debentures. That means the maturity period of the debentures. Here it is 5 years. Now let us see the second option. What it is? Writing of discount on or loss when the debentures are redeemable in installments. How you will write off the discount if the debentures are redeemable in installments. Now we are going to redeem the debentures in installment. In that case, how the discount will be written off. In the previous case, debenture was redeemed in lump sum. And after 5th year, it was redeemed in lump sum. Now, every year we are redeeming a part of the debentures. Okay, when some debentures will be redeemed, so proportionately for the outstanding, how much is redeeming for that debentures, we have to write off the discount. So let us see here. When debentures are redeemable in installments, discount on issue of debentures or loss on issue of debentures is written off in proportion to the number of debentures redeemed during the year. For example, in the previous question there was debentures was there for 10,000. Okay, that 10,000 debentures, 10,000 it was not given, 2 lakh was the given. Okay, suppose debenture is there 10,000 debentures. Out of this 10,000 debentures, 2,000 is redeeming in the first year. So in that case, what will be the discount for the first year to be written off? What is the total discount into how much is redeeming? 2,000 out of 10,000. Suppose if the discount is 20,000, we will write 20,000 total discount, 20,000 into 2,000 debentures are redeeming into 2,000 divided by 10,000. How much we will get? That much will be redeeming. That we can explain with the help of an example. See, here is the example. The amount of discount on issue of debentures is 40,000. Here 40,000 is the discount to be written off. And the total debentures are 10,000. Total debentures are 10,000. And these debentures are going to redeem like this. First year, 8,000 rupees will be redeemed. How? See, 8,000 rupees will be redeemed. How it will be calculated? 8,000 rupees first year it is written off. How it is written off like this? Because here it is given that in the first year 2,000 debentures were redeemed. Out of the 10,000 debentures, 2,000 debentures were redeemed. And we have the 40,000 rupees as discount. So 40,000 is the total discount. That is for all the 10,000 debentures. Out of that 2,000 is redeemed. That is why here you can see in the first year rupees 8,000. What is given in bracket? Rupees 40,000. That is total discount. Into 2,000 divided by 10,000. That means 40,000 is for 10,000 debentures. Then how much it will be for 2,000 debentures? So we will get 8,000 debenture. Sorry, 8,000 rupees. So 8,000 rupees can be written off in the first year. Then in the second year, how much will be written off? See, we have 40,000 rupees debenture with us. 40,000 rupees discount is there with us. That is for 10,000 debentures. Out of that 3,000 is writing off in the second year. Isn't it? So 40,000 into 3,000 divided by 10,000. That's why we have got here 12,000 rupees. Okay. And in the third year also 5,000 debentures are redeeming. 5,000 debentures here redeemed in third year. So 40,000 rupees is for 10,000 debentures. Out of that 5,000 is redeeming. So 40,000 into 5,000 divided by 10,000. That's why 20,000. So now you can add all the three amounts: 20,000 plus 12,000, 32,000 plus 8,000, 40,000. So in that way, all the 40,000 debentures are redeemed. 40,000 rupees of discount is redeemed or written off. Now we are going to solve a question based on this method. See, here is the question before you. Roop King Limited issued 10,000 9% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 5%. See, 10,000 debentures of rupees 100 each. That means 10 lakh rupees is the face value. At a discount of 5%. So 10 lakh into 5%, that means 50,000 rupees is the discount. Okay, discount 5%. So 10 lakh is the face value into 5%, 50,000 rupees. But here one more is given, which is redeemable at a 5% premium. Redemption premium, that also is a loss. That also is a loss. How much? 5% of 10 lakh. That means again 50,000. So total loss on issue of debenture is 50,000 plus 50,000, 1 lakh. So 1 lakh is the total discount on. So total loss on issue of debentures. So in that case, let us see. These debentures are redeemable as given here in installments. In the first year, how much? 1,000 debentures are redeemed. Second year, 2,000 debentures are redeemed. Third year, 2,500 debentures are redeemed. And fourth year, 2,500 again. And the balance is redeemed on fifth year. Okay, so that is the case. So in that case, how to solve the question? Let us see the solution here. So in the solution, working note we are writing first. Working note, while solving your problem, you can show the working note last. So here for convenience purpose I am writing here. Working note, what can be written the working note? The calculation of discount on issue of debentures. Discount on issue of debentures and premium. That's what I have told, that total discount on issue of debentures as well as the premium, both are considered as loss. So both will be written here. So the total amount can be calculated here like this. Total loss on issue is 50,000 discount and again 50,000 premium on redemption. So total amount 1 lakh. This is the loss. Okay. Now let us see how to bifurcate the amount. That means every year how much can be written off. First year, see, first year 1 lakh is the total loss. You can see in bracket 1 lakh is the total loss. Out of that total loss is for 10,000 debentures. But during that year 1,000 debentures are redeeming. So 1 lakh into 1,000 divided by 10,000. How much you will get? It's 1 by 10th portion. That is 10,000. Second year, you can see that debenture redeemed is 2,000. Second year. So 1 lakh into 2,000 divided by 10,000. So 20,000 will be written off second year. And third year, again 2,500 debentures are writing off or redeeming. So 1 lakh is the total loss to be redeemed. Total loss 1 lakh into 2500 divided by 10,000. That means 25,000 we have to write off. Then third year again same way 2500 is redeeming. So we will get 25,000 again. And the balance, how to find out the balance of for the fifth year? Total discount is 1 lakh. Total discount is, total debenture we have here 10,000. Out of that first year 1 lakh 1,000 redeemed, second year 2,000 redeemed, third year and fourth year 2,500 each. So 5,000 plus 2,000 7,000 plus 1,000, how much? 8,000. Remaining 2,000 is left. Okay, so that third year we will write as how much? Here it is 20,000 because here it is 2,000 only. So 2,000 is the remaining amount to remaining debentures. So 2,000, 1 lakh into 2,000 divided by 10,000. So we will write 20,000. Okay, is it clear? Then let us go for the solution. We have here loss on issue of debentures account. In the earlier question we have written discount on issue of debentures account. You can see here, instead of writing discount on issue of debentures account, you can write loss on issue of debentures account also, because both are same only. Here why I particularly written loss on issue of debentures account is that here loss consists of discount and premium also, not only the discount. So we can write here loss on issue of debentures. So what will be the first entry? Total discount we have to show in the debit column. Debit column first year. Here also date is not mentioned, so we can write 1 to debentures account. To debentures account how much? 1 lakh is the amount. And the same year we have to write proportionately. First year it is given that 10,000 is writing off. Writing off from the profit. So statement of profit and loss 10,000. Now shall we balance it? Yes, total 1 lakh is taken to the credit side. Balance will get 90,000 rupees. Okay, so balance carry down. That will be written as balance carry down. And again it should be taken to the next year as opening balance. For the second year, how much? Same 90,000. And in that year also we have to write off the discount. How much? Second year is given, second year 20,000 will be written off. So we can write here 20,000 will be written off from the statement of profit and loss. Okay, so that year work also over. 90,000 balancing. 90,000 minus 20,000, 70,000 will be the balance. Against that what can be written? Yes, by balance carry down. That will be brought down, and against that 70,000 we can write to balance brought down. That will be in the third year. So third year again we are writing off from the profit. How much? This year 25,000. Third year how much we have to write off? 25,000 we have to write off. So 25,000 will be written off. And the balance is 17,000 minus 25,000, that is 45,000 is the closing balance. Against that what can be written? Yes, by balance carry down. And can be brought down that to the next year, fourth year. Entry will be to balance brought down, year fourth year. Okay. Fourth year also writing of discount proportionately. How much? Again from there 25,000 only. Fourth year 25,000 we have shown here, that for 25,000 can be written off. Now balance 45,000 minus 25,000, remaining is 20,000. Okay, then what is the next? Yes, balance we have to find out. To balance, by balance carry down, that will be brought down to the next year, that is the last year, fifth year. So this year we have to complete the process, complete the journal entries. So by balance, to balance brought down, this year also we have to write off 20,000 rupees, that is the balance amount. Here it is given balance amount in the fifth year. Balance amount we have calculated here 20,000. So let us write down that 20,000 will be written off from the profit and loss account. This profit and loss account, what we will write? Every time we will write in the profit and loss account as finance cost. It will be under the finance cost, under the main head, the finance cost. Okay. So in finance cost, it will be mentioned in the debit side of statement of profit and loss. In statement of profit and loss account debit side, there will be a main head, finance cost. Under that, as a subhead, this will be mentioned. This you can see in the notes to account of statement of profit and loss. Notes to account under we will explain in the coming classes. Okay. Now 20,000 we have written off. So let us balance the account for 20,000. 20,000. What will be the balance? No balance is left. No balance should be there. Okay. So this is the way of writing of discount on issue of debentures account. Okay, this is simple thing. So like that, this here we have prepared the ledger account, discount on issue of debentures account. In the same way, you can prepare statement of affairs account also, then debenture account also you can prepare. Sometimes it will be asked to prepare the journal entries. So since we have prepared the account, it will be easy for you to prepare the journal entries also. Okay, it's very clear. It's very simple concept only. You can practice it by solving 2 or 3 questions from your reference book. And after that, if there is any doubt, don't hesitate to communicate me. Okay, thank you very much.